Hey there, thinking about starting a business? Choosing the right legal form can be a game changer. Let's break down the primary types of business structures and see how they impact your operations, taxes, liability, and more. First up, sole proprietorship. It's the simplest form. You're the boss and it's easy to set up. But keep in mind, you're personally liable for all the business debts. Tax-wise, profits are reported on your personal tax return, so it's straightforward but risky. Next, we have partnerships. These come in two flavors, general and limited. In a general partnership, all partners share equal responsibility and liability. In a limited partnership, there's a mix of general and limited partners, with the latter having limited liability. Partnerships can pool resources and expertise, but conflicts can arise. Profits are shared among partners and taxed on their individual returns. Now let's talk corporations. They're more complex and expensive to set up, but they offer limited liability, meaning personal assets are protected. Corporations are double taxed. The company pays corporate tax and shareholders pay taxes on dividends. However, raising capital is easier and control can be clearly defined. Ideal for larger businesses with high growth aspirations. Enter the limited liability company, or LLC. It's like a best of both worlds option. You get limited liability like a corporation, but with pass-through taxation like a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's flexible in terms of management and ownership, plus it's generally easier to set up than a corporation. And then there are other forms. Think cooperatives and nonprofits. Cooperatives are owned and operated by a group of individuals for their mutual benefit. They're great for community-focused initiatives. Nonprofits, on the other hand, are exempt from federal income tax and operate for a specific purpose rather than profit. They face strict compliance requirements but can benefit from grants and donations. So let's summarize. Sole proprietorship, easy, full control, personal liability, taxed personally. Partnership, shared control, shared liability, taxed personally. Corporation, limited liability, double taxation, easier funding. LLC, limited liability, pass-through taxation, flexible. Other forms, cooperatives and nonprofits, specialized purposes, unique benefits. Choosing the right legal form for your business depends on various factors: liability, taxation, control, funding, ease of formation, number of owners, and your future plans. Take your time, do your research, and maybe even consult a legal advisor to make sure you're making the best choice for your entrepreneurial journey. Good luck out there. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and advice. Until next time, keep hustling.